In this video, we are going to show you how you could set up a LinkedIn comment automation. Let me walk you through it. We've got Phantom Buster. Essentially, Phantom Buster watches a particular output on your social media. We use ChatGPT to extract the JSON URL. So every single comment will be structured within a post in a URL. We scrape the JSON URL from the output of ChatGPT. We have to pass that response, and we set a bunch of variables, which are essentially the first name and the comment of that person. We are then able to extract the email and put that information into a comment database. In this example, I'm using Google Sheets, but you can use Airtable, HubSpot, whatever your CRM is. Then we use a router, and only if the email is valid, we can draft a response. Hey, appreciate the comment. Here is a blueprint you asked for. You just need to set up your connections and you're good to go. Have you ever used something like this before? I know it's important for marketing agencies and anybody creating content to not miss any messages and to increase their interactions on their posts, and especially if you are going to give away things that are valuable, for people to get that information very quickly without you having to manually comment and message. So yeah, a little bit more advanced. If you do want this automation blueprint, you will need Make though to run it. Drop a comment below and I'm happy to send it your way. I'll see you in the next one.